Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to use WhatsApp Business on PC. So first of all, you need to open up the BlueStacks application in your PC. If you don't have BlueStacks, you can download and install it from its official website. Once you get into your BlueStack account, you need to click on the search bar from the top. And then, you need to search here for WhatsApp Business. Now, click to install it in the app player. After that, wait for it to get installed into your PC. Once the installation is completed, click on the app player from the dashboard. Now, make a search here for WhatsApp Business. Then click to open it and create your account on it. And that's how you can use WhatsApp Business on your PC. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.